The design of this two-story A-frame house perfectly blends the natural and relaxing essence of country style with the clean, sophisticated allure of modern contemporary style. The exterior of the A-frame structure, adorned in a palette of black and gray, exudes a charming and stylish aesthetic. Upon entering the house, one is greeted by the warm and inviting ambience created by the rich teak wooden tones that adorn the ceilings and walls, along with the textured partial brick walls, evoking a distinct country-style atmosphere. However, the infusion of sleek black wooden elements in the sloped ceilings and walls introduces a touch of contemporary flair to the space. A notable feature of the house is the centrally located staircase, which unintentionally delineates the different areas of the open floor plan. Rather than incorporating conventional walls to segment spaces, the decision to maintain an open layout fosters a sense of connectivity and fluidity throughout the home. Furthermore, the utilization of the space beneath the stairs for both storage and display purposes adds a practical and decorative element to the design. In response to the challenge posed by the sloped ceilings, an ingenious solution was implemented to ensure that the space felt expansive and functional. Inspired by the concept of a dormer window, the side areas of the house were extended with flat ceilings, effectively accommodating essential rooms such as bathrooms, a dining area, and a spacious walk-in closet. These areas seamlessly merge with the existing space, harmonizing functionality with design ingenuity. The design principles employed on the second floor mirror those of the first, emphasizing an open and airy atmosphere. The use of glass elements, including walls and doors, serves to maintain an unobstructed flow between spaces while also providing a degree of privacy. To enhance privacy in the master bedroom, the implementation of pocket doors effectively achieves this objective, imparting a sense of exclusivity to the space while also enhancing the visual appeal of the adjacent theme wall beside the staircase. Overall, the thoughtful integration of country and contemporary elements, coupled with innovative spatial solutions, results in a residence that exudes both charm and sophistication while prioritizing functionality and aesthetic appeal.